What's up, guys? Andre de Villiers here at Linex Lifestyle Center. Today we're doing the second edition of the Liqui Moly. As you guys know, I said it wrong in the first video. That's a punishment for me. So I owe one of our lucky guys a two-stroke oil that mentioned it to me. So he must come in, stop in and get it. But first, let's introduce the team. So first we've got Doug Farrell, right? Yes. And then we've got Shaldon from the Big Bang Theory. But actually, he's basically the Big Bang Theory Shaldon for Liqui Moly, right? He is the oil engineer. So tell us a little bit more about your background, your CV as per se, just a short version.
Perfect. So I'm head of aviation engineer at Liqui Moly SA. I head on our technical department. For quite some years, we've been in contact with our lab in Germany itself. So I have the communication between our German labs and ISAT market and cross-border.
So you're literally the Shaldon. He sits in a lab and he programs oils or does whatever scientists do.
Gets us these fantastic products we can sell.
Yeah, so we focus more on the R&D side of formulations. We ensure that you guys have these fancy toys to run around with, so keep them running. That's what it's about.
Keep them maintained, yeah. So we know that Liqui Moly is a performance product, right? Now, a lot of people don't really know the secrets that the oil play in the terms of your bike's longevity, right? How important is good quality oil in a motorbike, jet ski, boat? Why should you have good quality oil?
Perfect. So when it comes to quality, we all know that Germans are a step ahead of the market.
Perfection.
To give you an idea, I know in the marine sector there's specifications, so the ISO standards, that is the NMA, National Marine Manufacturers Association. So they set the standards for the market itself based on lubrication, sealing systems, your floating devices, buoyancy on the boat itself, but also when it comes to lubrication. Now from Germany's side, Liqui Moly is a step ahead of the game because our chemists, the laboratory, we actually have our own standards set within our market.
So you take the normal standards and you
progress it a bit further.
Liqui Moly standard on top of that.
Yeah, so it's a non-negotiable zero tolerance standard we set ourselves to ensure that we can provide the best quality we can. And hence you can see that for the last 10 years we have the best brand in Germany itself, the award. So it speaks for itself.
Look, German engineering, we all know the history of German engineering. So that's very cool. But what I know that the workshop always hammers me on about is when I had the 450 that I used to race the Yamaha 450, they used to say, listen, change the oil as much as you can. Even though the manual says you can ride it to the max performance, it's better to change the oil as much as you can. Now you're going to give us an insight to why engine oil is important when you've used your boat, bike, jet ski, or if you haven't used your boat, bike, jet ski. What is the time frame you should be looking at with oil?
Look, ultimately, the service intervals are set by manufacturers. So based on the engine development, they recommend every 50 hours on your outboards, especially those. But when it comes to lubrication, you need to select the best quality that you can obtain. The reason for that is not only the base oil that starts aging, especially when it stands, but also the contaminants building up within the system. So if I can give you an idea on the fuel systems, especially both standing during this period, we actually have a fuel system additive that can combat the aging of that fuel to ensure that when it's decommissioned, you don't have any issues starting that boat will actually have to strip the whole engine to just the fault finding.
Oh, really, yeah.
So the guys, a lot of money in maintenance or preventative maintenance, as you mentioned.
Yes, that's what it's about.
So we all know we're in tough times, guys. So look, luckily the leisure market's been booming, right? So we want to get you guys back on the water and on the bikes and having a jaw because that's the best way to social distance. So Doug, what are you as Liqui Moly South Africa going to offer the customers, right, to help us maintain our bikes, maintain our jet skis? What are you going to offer us?
So obviously, like we mentioned last week, we've got a couple of little initiatives of giveaways for the guys. They come in and they spend, let's say, under 500 Rand. We've got a visor cleaner, a little keyring, so that everyone knows they're now part of the Liqui Moly family. Other than that, if the guys start spending a little bit higher, then there we go. Thank you very much for that. So a couple of cool little keyrings, like we've got this one over here for the marine. I think something like that for the motorcycle range over there. And then also we've got the wet and dry cloth visor sets. Those are for the guys that spend under 500 Rand. Anyone that comes in and spends over 500 Rand, we're then going to give them an additive. On the marine side, it's going to be a multi-spray. Just helps keeping the condition of the watercraft, be it a jet ski, motor, boats, anything like that in perfect condition during storage. And then on the motorcycle side of things, we'll give the guys a speed shooter or speed additive, as the guys from Liqui Moly say. And that's going to add a little bit of performance to the motor and also just protect all the internal.
That's going to make that motor run real smooth.
100%. And then obviously Linex Randburg is taking it a step further. Anyone that purchases oil from us, Linex Randburg will be doing an oil change, and it's a 21-point check.
21 check, free of charge. So if you buy any one of these Liqui Moly products, we will do a free oil change or oil inspection service, and then we'll also do a 21-point check to see if there's anything else we need to set up or inspect on your boat, bike, jet ski, whatever we need to do, we can do it. But guys, it's very important. Like you said, maintenance is the key to having a bike last forever. Now, one last thing, and this is a question that I get all the time. We get this code on the top. It says 10W40, right? And then you've got one over there, I think it's 10W50. What does that mean? Like, what does the 10W stand for and the 50 at the end?
Perfect. So what I did, I've got two little units here. The one is a 1050 and the other one is a 1060. You see that?
Yeah.
So this is just part of motorcycle range. The 10W is actually the viscosity of this oil. So how this oil flows at cold temperature. Okay, so what I mean is cold. This 10W can go to minus 25 degrees.
Stop.
No, it's fine. It's coming.
Okay.
No.
At 100 degrees Celsius. So this is the operating temperature of the engine where this oil is actually flowing.
Jeez, that's
And also the flow rate at optimal running temperature.
Yes, so this is the viscosity. However, this does not signify any performance of this fluid. Okay, so the performance of this fluid is actually indicated at the bottom here, where you'll see API SN. So that is the standards that gets tested at. So API, American Petroleum Institute, and S, which means for petrol. Right, so this is the newest formulation. And also JASO MA2. So JASO is a Japanese standard, as you know, with the bikes. Also MA2 wet clutch. So it's wet clutch compatible because it's a flow controlled friction modifier.
Okay, guys, one last thing we've got. Obviously, we're talking about a lot of tech and a lot of detail. You need to contact myself, Wesley, Doug, or Andre at the parts counter to get more detail. We can happily advise you on the best type of oil. But then there's one last thing that a lot of people don't know, myself, I don't know. I asked about the suspension oil. I've got one of these dirt bikes. We have suspension oil in here, and I was having a bit of a sticky suspension, and I wanted to know why that would be. I thought it was beginners or whatever, but basically he's educated me. So if you come a little bit closer to Shaldon, you can educate us quickly on why and how often should we be playing around with our suspension oil.
Perfect. So when it comes to fork wheels, we all know that fork wheels experience a lot of pressure, and with pressure comes foaming. So that is a challenge we have from engineering fluids to ensure that we can minimize the amount of foam that's created within the suspension oil.
So foam's like bubble bath.
Yes, like pushing, like going on rocky mountains.
Yeah.
There's a lot of foam created, and with foaming, it actually degrades the quality of the oil, the base oil inside. So that is why you get the sticky suspension.
Okay. So if your quality of your oil is better, right, you have less risk of foaming, right, which means your oil should be running for longer, tougher period. Now the next question I've got is, when you've got liquid moly in your suspension, what is the changing intervals? Are you doing like hours or years, or what are we talking about?
So, like I mentioned, these standards are set by manufacturers themselves. So Yamaha will have their own specific criteria for that. But we always encourage preventive maintenance.
Yeah.
So because of the riding style, I can take this bike around the road, but doesn't mean I'm doing off-road in extreme conditions with it.
Okay.
So it all depends on your riding style. And that is the biggest contributing factor to how often you should change the fluids.
And then if you had just a general soft average rider, is it once a year, or is it more like every 50 hours?
So recommended is once a year, or your service interval, whichever comes first. The reason for that is not only the aging of the oil, because those are hygroscopic fluids. So the aging of the oil plays a big role.
Okay.
And that is why you should recommend once a year. So come speak to the guys at Yamaha Linex Randburg, and they'll be able to assist you with your fork wheels, suspension wheels, and fluids change. So
we're doing a special at the moment. The pricing is yet to come, but it will basically mean you can bring your forks here or your bike and we'll strip the forks. We'll basically just refill your fork with new oil. But in the process, we'll check the inners out to make sure that your inners are running smoothly. If we do find any engine debris or any dirt that's inside there, we will advise you accordingly. So you're getting an awesome service from our workshop, and then we're also putting in the best product in the market, and to make sure that your suspension just handles like never before.
Yeah, I think that's a fantastic initiative, basically giving the guys a front-end service or a fork service through Linex Randburg using the Liqui Moly products.
Guys, lekker, that's us from Linex. We will be working out all the pricing. You can contact us anytime to book in your bike for suspension, oil changes. If we do want any more questions from Shaldon, just ask, we'll get him back here. Or you can email me or Doug directly, and we will ask Shaldon that question to make sure your bike is performing at the optimal level. Thanks, guys.
Cheers, guys.
Take care.
Yeah, thanks for inviting me.